Vaccination is a fundamental pillar of animal health, capable of preventing a series of diseases that can be devastating for both pets and their owners. But to understand more deeply why this process is so important, we need to delve into how the immune system works and how vaccines act on the bodies of our four-legged friends. When an animal is vaccinated, the veterinarian injects an antigen into the pet's body, which can be a weakened or dead version of a virus or bacteria. These antigens are harmless, but they carry the same information as the real infectious agent. What does this mean? The animal's body is exposed to the pathogen safely without the risk of developing the disease, but it can still train its immune system. The immune system is like the body's defense army. When it encounters this antigen from the vaccine, it activates an immediate response, as if it were facing an invasion. In the process, the body creates antibodies, which are cells specialized in attacking that specific type of invader. But the most interesting and essential point is that the body also stores this information. It develops an immunological memory, which means that if the animal is exposed to the actual disease agent in the future, the immune system will instantly recognize it and eliminate the threat before the disease even develops. Now, why are vaccines essential? The list of serious diseases that can be prevented by vaccines is extensive. Rabies, distemper, leptospirosis, parvovirus, and hepatitis are just a few of the most worrying for dogs. For cats, there are rhinotracheitis, calicivirus, panleukopenia, and feline leukemia. All of these diseases can be fatal, especially if the diagnosis is late or if the animal is weakened. Rabies, for example, is a virus that affects the nervous system and is transmitted to other animals and humans through saliva. It is lethal and incurable, and its only effective form of prevention is vaccination. In addition to protecting the animal itself, vaccination also has a significant impact on society. Diseases such as leptospirosis, in addition to affecting dogs, can be transmitted to humans, zoonoses, which means that keeping vaccinations up to date reduces the risk of outbreaks in communities and protects public health. This collective protection aspect is one of the great benefits of mass vaccination. Another important point to consider is the scientific soundness that underpins vaccines. Since the first vaccines were developed, decades of research and improvement have ensured that production methods are rigorous and the products that reach veterinarians are safe and effective. Before a vaccine is made available, it undergoes thorough clinical testing to ensure that it will not pose any risk to the animal. The vaccination schedule, which veterinarians follow rigorously, is designed based on the animal's life cycle and the characteristics of each species and breed. Young animals, such as puppies, usually receive their first vaccine doses from 6 to 8 weeks of age, and the doses are boosted over the months until the pet's immune system is fully strengthened. After this initial period, annual boosters ensure that protection is maintained. A key point that many guardians forget is the importance of booster vaccines. They are essential because, over time, the immune memory can weaken, and the body needs to be reminded of how to fight the pathogen efficiently. Therefore, regular visits to the vet to check that vaccinations are up to date are essential for your pet's health. In addition to protecting against diseases, vaccines also have a direct impact on the longevity and quality of life of pets. Vaccinated animals not only have a longer life, but also have a better quality of life, as they do not suffer the debilitating consequences of infectious diseases that can cause permanent damage to the body, even after treatment. Finally, it is always worth remembering that vaccination is an act of responsibility. When you vaccinate your pet, you are making a choice that not only protects their life, but also yours and the lives of everyone who lives with them. Vaccines are proof of love and care and ensure that our companions can live healthily by our side for many years. So, always consult your vet, keep vaccinations up to date, and remember that prevention is always the best choice for your pet's well-being.